Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, I am your Suresh sir. We met after a long time due to coronavirus. Okay, now I will say to prevent spread of COVID-19, we should follow some precautions while going out. We should wear mask and wash your hands with alcohol based sanitizer and maintain safe distance from anyone and take healthy food, stay home, stay safe. Okay, today I came to teach something about our country. You know very well the name of our country is India. Say, it is a very largest country. It is the seventh largest country in the world. The first largest country in the world is Russia. In population, India is second populated country in the world. Now, India is a very great country because people speak different languages and they follow different traditions. And in India, there are so many languages and festivals and culture like that in so many aspects from one state to another state, so many differences is there. Now today I am going to teach about our Indian states. It is very difficult to rule a single person. For easy administration, India is divided into some parts. They are called states and union territories. Now, today I will explain the states and their capitals. Okay, next class I will explain about the union territories. Today, here are states. In India, there are 28 states and 8 union territories are there. Okay, here see Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata, and Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Now, before that there are 29 states. Now, Jammu Kashmir is not a state, it is bifurcated into union territory. Now, there is only 28 states is there now present in India. Okay, it is very difficult to remember these 28 states. That's why I will say a small trick to remember easy way. See, here 3AT is there. With A letter, starting states how many are there? 3. See, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. With the A letter starting states how many are there? 3. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. With the T letter starting states, there are 3 states are there. That is Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura. And with the M letter starting states, there are 5 states are there. They are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram. Understood? Now, with the A letter starting states, 3 are there. With the T letter starting states, 3 are there. And with the M letter starting states, 5 are there. Okay. Next, these are only BJP, N Kraus. Like this, remember children. BJP, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, like that. And N Kraus. B means Bihar. With B letter, there is only one state is there. And with J, there is only one state is there. And with P, there is only one state is there. That is Bihar, Jharkhand, Punjab. And N, Nagaland. N, only one state is there, no? Nagaland. And C, Chhattisgarh or Rajasthan. O, Odisha. W, West Bengal. S, Sikkim. Okay, with these letters starting states only one state is there. And next 2GK. With the G letter starting states 2 are there. Okay children, Goa and Goa and Gujarat. With the K letter starting states, there are 2 states are there. That is Kerala and Karnataka. And again, with the H letter, there are 2 states are there. Himachal Pradesh, Haryana. With the letter U, starting states 2 are there. That is Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, it is a easy way to remember all these 28 states. Okay, once again, at your home, once read these 28 states and their capitals, and you should follow this trick. You will easily remember these 28 states. And next class I shall say about union territories. Okay, bye.